Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another unboxing. This time I will have, because I'm filming video after video, this time I will have the BoxyCharm June versus July. I believe this one is the June one. I don't have any sign of them to tell me which one is June, which one is July. And I believe this one is July. I'm not sure, as I said. Anyway, let's see what's in the June one first. And this one, here is the card for June. I hope it says here somewhere that this one is the June box. It doesn't say, it says just the products that are in the box. Anyway, let's see what are the products. And the first item in this box, it's the Alamar Cosmetics, if I'm saying that right. It's Reina del Caribe Eyeshadow Palette Volume 1. And I saw this in many unboxings. Looks like a very pretty colorful palette. Here are the shades of this, because probably you saw this palette already in swatches. I'm not gonna swatch this one in this video. And here is the first item in here. The second one, it's from Bettington Lashes, probably.com, and it's a pair of eyelashes, and they look like this. The next product, we have a Luxie Trio brush, and in this one we have 511660 and 522, three of them. And one is a duo fiber powder, precision foundation, and a highlighter brush. So three of them. Luxie comes very often in boxes, including in Ipsy one. We have a mini Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom cream. Lovely cream. Never have enough of that. I always get samples in boxes. When I don't, I'm buying it from FitFun add-ons. We have Jonte Blue. This one is eyeliner pencil, and here is the color of this one. Looks like a dark gray. Is this one right here. Jonte Blue. It's another brand that comes very often in boxes. We have an Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Verona. And I'm not gonna open this one because I have many lipsticks. I will leave this one for giveaways, but here is the color of this one. And I think that's all in the June box. So far we have a full size of Ofra lipstick in Verona. We have the Jonte Blue eyeliner, another full size, and this is 912 charcoal. We have the mini Bam Bam cream. We have the trio brushes from Luxie in full size. We have a pair of eyelashes, and we have the eyeshadow palette, which has very nice summer colors. So by far my favorite product in this box is the Bam Bam cream or Boom Boom cream. Here is the palette again. Lovely colors. I keep saying that I'm gonna try to use those palettes in my videos, to try them on during my videos, but it seems like it's not gonna happen soon because I'm always in a hurry, and especially now when I have so many unboxes to do. Anyway, this is the June box from BoxyCharm. So far it's a great box as usual, especially for the price you paid for, because it's a $21 box and you have items that have a value of around 100 each month. And let's see the July box, which is this one. We have the card here with the products, and I see another I see here another eyeshadow palette, and also some coupons on the bag from some of the brands that are in the box. First thing in here, it's from Note, it's Luminosic Silk Compact blusher in argan oil, with argan oil. Note, it's a brand that I met, if I can say that, in Ipsy offers. I tried their perfume, I tried something else also from them. Here is the packaging of this one, and this one is in the shade Desert Rose, and looks like this, which I think it's a very pretty color. It is very pigmented also. So here is the first product in July box. Then we have this one for Dr. Brand. This one is Needles No More, No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. It's Gel Contour Eye, which looks like this. Dr. Brand is another good brand. We have Wonder Beauty Unleashed. It's the Volume and Curl Mascara, which looks like this. I'm trying to not open some of the products because for sure some of them are going in the giveaways. And this one is the Sela, it's eyebrow cream, which looks like this. I see two ends here. I don't know what's in that part, but anyway, looks like this. So the last product in here is this eyeshadow palette. And this one is from Crown Pro. And let's see the palette itself. Looks like this, and the colors in this one, I would say that this one is very pretty. I would say we get in this one more fall colors, and I think it's very pretty. I love the colors in this one, and the rose gold packaging looks very nice. I'm not gonna swatch it, but if you want me to swatch those two palettes that I got in June and July box, let me know, and as I said before, it will be my pleasure to do that for you. I don't want to do this video to make this video too long, but if you want to see swatches from those two palettes, just let me know in the comments down below, and I will do them. So here is the last item in the July box, is the eyeshadow palette from Crown. We have the Sela, this one was a brow cream, eyebrow cream. We have Note, it's a blush. We have a mascara from Wonder Beauty. We have Dr. Brand Needles No More, is the eye gel. And I think that's kind of all for July box. So as I said before, let me know if you wanna see those products in action, if I can say that, and I'll put them in the samples of the week. That's all for this box. I'm gonna write here for me the June and July. That's all for the BoxyCharm June and July boxes. I will see you very soon with another unboxing, which right now I don't know what's gonna be, because I'm filming a video after video, but probably I'm not gonna post them in the same order. So I'll see you soon with something else. You have a great day. Please give me a like if you like the video. Leave me a comment down below about whatever you like to, and I will see you soon. You have a great day. Bye bye.